Now that we have Archivery installed and we've restarted the computer, let's go to the Applications folder. You can see there's Archivery and Archivery Server. Again, it's a two-part application. Pick up Archivery and Archivery Server and go ahead and drag them to the dock. This computer is now the Archivery Server. Also notice that I've got two FireWire drives plugged in, one marked Archive 1 and the second called Backup 1. As well, I've mounted another volume on a different server called Database Backups, where we will be backing up our database too. Very important to back up the Archivery database. Go ahead and launch the Archivery server and click on New Installation. On this screen, we will actually register for an account with archivery.ca. Pick a username, type a password for yourself, and then fill out the rest of the credentials. Your company name, company address, city, province or state, postal code, zip code, country, email, phone number so we can stay in touch with each other, and go ahead and press the register button. And what that actually does is that actually takes all your information here and sends it over to our servers for future invoicing and to create an account on the website so you can go in and gain technical support and purchase new credits. There's a few more things that have to be set up. The system now needs to know where are these new volumes for backing up and for archiving. So we're going to go through and we're just going to select the archive volume there that's mounted, the backup volume, which is the other FireWire drive that's mounted, the database backup path, which we recommend is on an external server, another server somewhere else in your corporation. Every 24 hours the system will back up the entire database to that location. And a spot for incomplete jobs. Occasionally there's a reason, whether it be permissions or disk space, that a job can't be completed. The system needs somewhere to put those jobs temporarily. That's what the incomplete jobs folder. We recommend that that is local to this computer, somewhere on the Macintosh hard drive. Go ahead and click OK, and you'll see the system is running, and instantly you have 30 credits to begin archiving. The next step with Archivery is to set up a user account for yourself as the administrator and for all the other users that will be using the software. To do that, go ahead and launch the Archivery client by double-clicking on its icon in the Applications folder. The username for the first time you launch is first user with an uppercase F and an uppercase U. The password is Archivery, all lowercase. And the server IP, of course, is the IP address of the server in which you just finished installing Archivery on. Go ahead and press Login, and it actually connects to the server, and you have a live working version of Archivery at this point. However, there's a few things that should be configured before we go much further. If you go up to the Window menu and you come down to Administration, you'll see that there are many tabs: General, Servers, Deletion, Restoration, and Users. The first step is to add a new user. Go ahead and click the plus sign, and you'll see new user gets added. Change the username to whatever you like. Pick your password to whatever you want it to be. You may or may not enter your email at this point. And select whether this user is a regular user or an administrator. The difference is an administrator can actually get into this admin menu. A regular user can only archive and restore jobs. Once you've got that information set, go ahead and press Save, and then I recommend you actually get rid of this first user because the password is very easy and they are an administrator. So go ahead and click on them, and then on the minus button to get rid of it. Now I recommend that you close this, quit the application, and relaunch. And this time you can log in with your new username and password, and you are now logged in as yourself as an administrator.